Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are watching my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful ideas. Fabulous crocheting work, handmade knitting variety. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet neck warmer ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Most demanding crochet collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern, most demanding crochet collection. Like and share my video, follow my channel, press the bell icon, good comment in comment section. And you can ask me in comment section what you want. Thanks more about crochet collection. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.